Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a weekend. Yay. Working tomorrow but off Sunday, so hopefully have a crafty day then. Today we are going to be playing with this week Friday freebie, which is a lovely free printable, part of, actually not, but creative with the Sweet Garden digital paper collection. So I hope you guys like it. Keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. Happy Friday. It's raining here. It's been a very miserable, great, wet day, but never mind. I'm working tomorrow, but I'm off Sunday this weekend, just a bit slightly different schedule. So yeah, I might get some crafting done on Sunday. But today, Friday freebie, let's concentrate on these amazing freebie. So of course, free printable that you guys can download, and I will tell you in just a minute how. But yeah, so it's part of my Sweet Garden digital kit. So I have created those tags to complement with the kit, and I think it's going to go really well together. What am I going to do, guys? I'm going to have a little play with these tags because I want to put them into some cardstock and put some really nice ribbons. So I'm going to have a little play with those. But before I show you the final result, let me show you the kit where they get there from. One of my newest kit is called the Sweet Garden, because there is a lot of birds and they like sweet things. Also, I think they do. So 7 pages. So you got this one, and it's all pink. Majority is pink, salmon and blue colors. Okay, so you got 1 page there. You got this one here. Look at this page. Isn't just fabulous? Love it. I love pink and blue together. I think it works really well. Then it wouldn't be my kit without any gift boxes. So you got a really nice milk carton box. You saw me making tons and tons of this, and I love it. So you just simply cut it. But I'm going to do that for you and I'll show you what it looks like. And then you've got another paper here. So this is a total background. And then a page with some lovely tags, which I'm going to use that now. And then another fabulous background when you get your birds and you've got some butterflies. Okay, so you saw the kit. How gorgeous that kit is. To be fair, it's one of my favorite because it's a lot. There's a lot of floral. There is a lot of birds. There's a lot of nature. So yeah, I love it. Right, let me show you the final tags. I have used my friend enemy. You know, the relationship I have with the crocodile, but I'm learning, and I think the more I use, the better I'm getting on using it. And I've got here a bag with all the eyelets. So yeah, we're working on our relationship. So I have used copper eyelet because I think copper work really well with the color palette. So I just literally, guys, just put some I got here, there's not much left to be fair, but it's a selection of all different fabrics and ribbons and sahari and all different bits and pieces. I love this because there is different textures and different colors, so I like to mix again different texture because I do like that sort of boohoo messy style, for making sense. So on here I've got the black and white. It's like an elasticated. It's quite nice actually. And I just put this colorful ribbon. So that's one. Then on here I just put some green fabric with some blue and green ribbon. Then here I've got a bit yellow because this Sahara's got a bit of yellow in there. And then last but not least, this one. I would have liked something pink, but I didn't have any. So I just thought this will look more like rustic. Oh, got bits and pieces everywhere. Will look a bit more rustic, more vintagey sort of like look that I was going for. Okay guys, super quick, super easy. Before we go, I'm a bit late to the party, but I finally finished my Easter kit. And I know Easter is only next week, but I'm very sorry, I'm very behind this because I wasn't happy with the gold metallic effect. But I finally printed out, so this kit is now available on my website. Is an Easter decoration kit. Well, no, it's not just decoration, there's a lots of it. So there's eggs, there's embellishment, there's backgrounds, there are milk cartons. Do you know, I'm obsessed with it. There's bigger eggs. Yeah, I wasn't happy with the gold metallic finish, so I was going on and on and on and on and on, but I like it now. So yeah, it took me absolutely ages. So this kit is only going to be available for 1 week, and then I take it down on Easter because I don't like to leave it there. And then next year at Easter we'll do something a bit different. There are some bags so you can put your chocolate eggs. Again, 3 more floral eggs. Oops, if I can pick up the page. They're more like yellow and floral. You just need to full scatter and hang. That's done for you. Yeah, so this one was driving me absolutely insane. Okay, I wasn't happy, and I'm a bit, when it comes to designing kit, I'm quite perfectionist because like I wanted to give you guys the proper metallic finish because I want you guys to have these. You can have it for life, you can just use it every year if you wanted to, and layer it up with what you got at home. But yeah, so now I am happy with the finish. And then I gave you some silhouettes, so you've got 3 bunnies. But I'm gonna do some project next week, so you guys can see how we use it. But this is now finally, oh goodness me, available on the website. And I've got some, I just bought some chocolate eggs because I did like the colors. So you got, again, I wanted to do something metallic this year. So I've got some yellow metallic, pink metallic, and blue metallic. In fact, is it 2 different blues or is it just one? I think it's 2 different shades. Can you see them? Yeah. So we will play with this next week. I might have to try one to make sure it's safe. But yeah, I'm going to have a little play with this today. 563 calories. Wow, but who cares? Is this never mind. Right, going to go how to download these freebies, so these lovely collection of tags. So this one gets emailed every Friday 9 p.m. to my newsletter. So if you're not already, subscribe today. It's totally free. You get 1 email from me every Friday with a freebie attached to it, so you don't have to worry about it. And simply click the link down below and you will get it next week. Or if you're going to my Facebook page, click on files, on my Facebook group, sorry, click on files, and you see all the freebies that I have shared in the last couple of years. This collection is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So you've got a couple of options in there. Guys, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I'm going to play with my Easter kit now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. I know it's nothing for you guys, but it really helps the channel and the video to do well. Really appreciate it. Guys, if you missed Wednesday video, which I showcased the digital kit with the project or the concertina folio with the 4 pockets or 6 pockets, I will put the link somewhere here on the screen. Don't know where, but you guys will be able to click on it. It will take you straight back into the video. Guys, I will see you on Monday with a fabulous Easter project. And until then, have a fabulous weekend. Stay safe and well.